Welcome to the Rusted Garden Homestead. Today's video is all about building an A-frame trellis without any tools. I'll show you how to build it. It's really simple. If you want to subscribe and follow me, I'll be teaching you how to grow vertically, how to build all these different trellises that you see over the 2024 season. This is a basic A-frame trellis, and it's just two panels, same on both sides, and one side comes up here and just loops around the other panel. You can pick this up. It's going to collapse. It's really easy to store, and then you just kind of kick it open. I like the A-frame because it's a good amount of height. You can grow cucumbers up one side, grow them back down, back up again. You can grow peas on here, grow whatever you want. You can face these in any direction. For instance, if the southern sun came through here, the center would, be lit up by the sun, and maybe you're growing crops that prefer heat and like the sun. If you're moving into the summer from the spring, maybe you want to protect some lettuce down there so it doesn't overheat. So you would take this trellis and you would turn it this way and you would grow up it, and you could grow beans or something up here. The southern sun's going to hit the plants and it's going to create shade down there. So the soil's going to be cooler, and you can grow your cool weather crops sometimes longer into the warm season. Very basic, very simple. You can build this by just getting two rigid panels. These are from shelving that I don't need anymore. You can find this kind of material at secondhand stores, thrift stores, yard sales. You can buy fencing that's a little bit more rigid, cut it into pieces, but the design is really easy. We're just going to take, you can get some clothesline, or you could get a little more fancier with metal, and we're just going to, let me move this, line them up like this, and then we're going to just tie the tops off, and that will give us the basic A-frame. Let me show you how easy this is. It took me about 2 minutes to tie the tops off. Opened up into a triangle. We'll put it into the garden. I'll show you some ways to use it. The clothesline is you're just tying the tops 1, 2, 3. You could do more if you want. Doesn't matter how many you use. When you open and close this, the metal's going to slide, perfect little circle. Pick it up, it's going to close. If you want to use some wire, you can do something fancy like that. That's going to last forever, and you would just do 1, 2, 3. When we pick this up, it's going to collapse. It's easy to store. We open it up, and we have an A-frame trellis that can really handle heavier crops. It can handle lighter crops. Very simple, inexpensive, made from pieces that I repurposed. It seriously only took 2 minutes to build. It's rugged, it's solid, it's sturdy. You can expand it to as wide as you need, and then what you do is you just drop in, a tree branch, bamboo stake right down there to kind of secure it at the bottom like I did there. This is expanding some of my cool weather crops, radishes, mustard greens, some kale, some lettuce. My southern sun comes in this way. Actually comes in this way. I would potentially grow something up this side, or I could drop some shade cloth down, make a little bit of a tent. That's going to cool off the area down here, and I can grow my cool weather crops longer. It has many different uses in the garden. You can expand it to whatever size you need. It's all going to vary based on the size of the panels. You just need something that's fairly rigid, and you can just build your A-frames this way. 1, 2, 3, you're done. I don't think we need to spend any more time on this video, but this is a great way to grow vertically. And you could get a couple of them, like you could do an A here, another A, and another A, and you could literally grow cucumbers up and down. All kinds of different designs, different ways to create shade. I really recommend keeping an eye out when you're in the big box stores for materials you can use or repurpose. Yard sales, secondhand stores, you can find all this stuff and you can turn it into a perfectly simple and easy to build A-frame trellis for your garden. Thanks for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therustedgarden.com, and please subscribe. I'll teach you how to grow food, have some fun, and I'll show you how to grow vertically in 2024. Thanks for watching.